Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable high graphics on Realboxing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Realboxing 2 game. Tap on the settings option from the top left corner of your screen. Here, you can see the high details option. Tap on the toggle switch right below the high details option to turn it on. A message will pop up informing you that you need to restart the game to apply the changes. Tap on the OK button from the bottom of your screen to confirm. Now, close and restart the Realboxing 2 game to experience the improved graphics. And this is how you can enable high graphics on Realboxing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.